大家好，我是 Eddie， 欢迎来到你好汉语。What's up, my Eddie again? Welcome to another episode of Nihao Chinese, which is a fun Mandarin learning channel hosted by the amazing and cute Eddie G. Today's episode is all about drinks, and I mean non-alcoholic drinks. Food and drink vocabulary belongs to the survival level. Let's get started. 我们开始吧。饮料，饮料，饮料。饮料 is soft drink or non-alcoholic drinks. 饮 actually this word means to drink. 料 literally means material. To drink material, soft drink. 饮料。可乐，可乐，可乐。可乐 means Coke. Well, I don't know about you guys. When I learn English, I don't like to say cola because I think cola sounds like Coca Cola, which is a brand. I know that's also Coke, but I prefer to say Coke. But think about it. When you say cola, it sounds like 可乐. That's why we Chinese people say 可乐. We have different brands, just like I told you. We have Pepsi and Coca Cola. How to say Coke from these two brands? 百事可乐，百事可乐，百事可乐。百事 means Pepsi. We just translate it according to the sound, I guess. Pepsi, 百事，百事 Pepsi. 可乐 that's Coke. 可口可乐，可口可乐，可口可乐。可口可乐 is Coca Cola. That's the other brand. Do you prefer 百事可乐 or 可口可乐？芬达，芬达，芬达，芬达 is Fanta. 矿泉水，矿泉水，矿泉水。矿泉水 means mineral water. 矿 means mineral. 泉 means spring, like hot spring, that spring. 水 means water. 矿泉水 mineral water. 奶茶，奶茶，奶茶。奶茶 means milk tea. Milk tea is really popular in China. 奶 means milk. 茶 means tea. 奶茶 milk tea. 红茶，红茶，红茶。红茶 means black tea. I covered this word in another episode of my channel, which is called Top 10 Fun Words Related to Color. If you haven't watched that, go enjoy it. 绿茶，绿茶，绿茶。Green tea. 绿 is the color of green. 茶 means tea. 绿茶 green tea. 牛奶，牛奶，牛奶。牛 literally means cow or ox. 奶 means milk. 牛奶。酸奶，酸奶，酸奶。酸奶 means yogurt. 酸 literally means sour. 奶 literally means milk. Sour milk? Ew, that sounds bad. But anyway, 酸奶 yogurt. Probably we think when milk goes bad, it becomes yogurt. 咖啡，咖啡，咖啡。咖啡 means coffee. I think you can guess the meaning from the sound. 咖啡 coffee. 雪碧，雪碧，雪碧。雪碧 is Sprite. 雪 literally means snow. 碧 it's just green color. Another way to call green. Snow green. 雪碧。王老吉，王老吉，王老吉 That's a Chinese drink. It's a kind of herbal tea. When you eat hot pot, because it's too oily, a lot of people choose to drink 王老吉. For those who haven't tried 王老吉, I suggest you have a taste. You might like it, who knows? 果汁果汁果汁果 means fruit. 汁 means juice. Fruit juice. 果汁橙汁橙汁橙汁橙汁 means orange juice. 橙 is orange, the fruit. 苹果汁苹果汁苹果汁 apple juice. 苹果 apple. 汁 juice. 苹果汁 apple juice. 葡萄汁葡萄汁葡萄汁葡萄 is grape. 汁 is juice. 葡萄汁 grape juice, obviously. Now is the sentence practice part. I am such a nice teacher. 我不喜欢喝可乐，因为太甜了。我不喜欢喝可乐，因为太甜了。我不喜欢喝可乐，因为太甜了。I don't like drinking Coke because it's too sweet. 我 means I. 不 that's the negative form signal word, which means no or not. 喜欢 means like. 喝 means to drink. 可乐 Coke. 因为 because. 太 that means too. 甜 that's the flavor of sweet. 了 is the past tense signal word. But here, don't mind it. That's just our speaking habit here to put 了. Actually, in one of the previous grammar episodes, I already covered this sentence structure, which is I don't because If you haven't watched it, I strongly recommend you to go back and watch after this video. 我不喜欢喝可乐，因为太甜了。我不喜欢喝咖啡，因为太苦了。我不喜欢喝咖啡，因为太苦了。我不喜欢喝咖啡，因为太苦了。I don't like drinking coffee because it's too bitter. 我 means I. 不 that's a negative form signal word, means no or not. 喜欢 means like. 喝 means to drink. 咖啡 means coffee. 因为 because. 太 too. 苦 means bitter. 了 is a past tense signal word, but here, don't mind it. Just treat it as our speaking habit. 明天我要去超市买酸奶。明天我要去超市买酸奶。明天我要去超市买酸奶。Tomorrow I will go to the supermarket to buy yogurt. 明天 that's tomorrow. 我 that's I. 要 is a future tense signal word. Actually, 要 this character has different meanings. One meaning is the future tense signal word, that's be going to or will. Another meaning of 要 this character is want. It's like I want something, you can say 我要. But here, 我要 means I will, I am going to. 去 means to go. So 要去 means will go or am going to go. 超市 that's supermarket. 超 literally means super or over or exceed. 市 means market, supermarket. 超市买 means to buy. 酸奶 means yogurt. 明天我要去超市买酸奶。老板，矿泉水在哪里？老板，矿泉水在哪里？老板，矿泉水在哪里？ Shop owner, where is the mineral water? When you hear me calling a shop owner, you might feel it's a little bit funny. Because in Chinese, we really call a shop owner, hey, shop owner, in front of their face. It's okay to call them like that. But actually, 老板, this word has different meanings. Here, 老板 means a shop owner or the seller who is in charge. However, 老板 could also be a boss of a company or any business. 老板矿泉水 mineral water. 在 this word kind of like in English, in this word. In English, this is a preposition. Here, 在 works as a preposition. But you know, in different sentences, in different contexts, 在 this word could also be translated as in, on, at, like some prepositions like this. 哪里 means where. 哪里 Well, literally the sentence is like mineral water in where. 矿泉水在哪里 When you want to buy some drinks or some food in a shop, you can use the sentence structure. 老板在哪里 That means, hey, seller, or hey, shop owner, where is the blah blah blah. 我最喜欢的饮料是橙汁。我最喜欢的饮料是橙汁。我最喜欢的饮料是橙汁。My favorite drink is orange juice. 我 means I or my. Here it is my, that means possessive. 最喜欢的 These four characters together means most favorite because 最 kind of like most or best. 喜欢 means like. 的 this word works as the adjective signal word. 最喜欢的 means favorite. 饮料 is drink. 是 that's verb be. M is R. 橙汁 orange juice. 我最喜欢的饮料是橙汁。服务员，给我一杯可乐，谢谢。服务员，给我一杯可乐，谢谢。服务员，给我一杯可乐，谢谢。服务员 means waiter. This is a Chinese cultural thing. If you go to a restaurant, don't sit quietly or just simply, raise your hand to hope that the waiter or the waitress will notice you. No, they are never gonna notice you because the restaurant is so loud in China. I mean, unless you go to some really fine dining restaurant, which is going to be very expensive, by the way, while in a regular dining restaurant, you can just shout out, 服务员，服务员，你好，服务员，你好，服务员. You can just shout like that. And if you think it's a little bit too rude, no, it is not rude at all. If you really want to be a little bit polite, you can say, 你好，服务员，你好，服务员. But you must call them, you must call the waiter, because they're not going to notice you. 给 that means to give. 我 means I or me. Here it is me. 一杯 that's one glass or one cup of, I mean here is one glass of obviously Coke. 一 that's the number 1. 杯 is the quantifier for glass. 可乐 means Coke. 谢谢 thank you. 大杯奶茶多少钱？大杯奶茶多少钱？大杯奶茶多少钱？ How much is the large size milk tea? 大 means big. 杯 that's the quantifier of glass. 奶茶 milk tea 多少钱 How much money? 多少 means how many or how much. In this very context, it means how much because we are talking about money. 钱 means money. Well, it's interesting because in China, the culture is that when you do this is money, okay? Give me some money. But if you are in Korea and you do this is 좋아해요. That's like or love something. Or 사랑해, love. 大杯奶茶多少钱? Alright, if you like my video, please subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. As teacher Eddie always lectures you hardworking Chinese learners, 熟能生巧. Practice makes perfect. And you guys keep making progress to make teacher Eddie proud. 好了，今天就到这里了，我们下次见，再见。